Hello everybody and welcome back to the official Myrrh Tree YouTube channel. Yes, welcome back to Feel Good Friday. Welcome to all our new subscribers. Hopefully you'll be here to enjoy the positive content. In case you're unaware, Feel Good Friday is a weekly series on this channel where we try and bring you guys the most positive news from the past week, months, even years. Just positive stories that you may have missed out on over your times on the internet. And this series is to bring you joy and let you escape from the harsh reality of the fact that we're going to be in lockdowns for the rest of our lives. Anyway, let's jump into our first story. So our first story isn't actually a story, it's a YouTube video that I saw on my recommendations, and it's called Making My Dog a Birthday Cake. Now, the video is being created by Elliot Goff. Now, Elliot, in case you don't know, is the editor for the very popular British sketch YouTuber called Tom Scar. Well, he has his own channel, and he makes his own little videos here and there. And this video is dedicated to his 1-year-old dog. And he makes her a birthday cake using all dog-friendly ingredients, and he uses mashed potato as icing, which I think is a genius move. It looks fantastic. I won't say too much more in the video. It's really heartwarming, really fun stuff. I'll leave a link in the description down below for you to go and watch. Safe to say, his doggo definitely loves the cake. It's just fantastic. Really heartwarming video. Speaking of dogs, by the way, we do have a new segment for the show, which I'm going to be calling Twitter Account of the Week. This is a segment that I want to basically highlight a Twitter account, which you can go and follow just to keep up some positive vibes, I guess is the word that's said these days, on your timeline. And this week goes to WeRateDogs. Bit of a theme going on for these first two stories, but I digress.
Can I get a few words?
If you don't follow WeRateDogs, they are an absolutely beautiful Twitter page full of loads of stories that just have little pictures of dogs, little descriptions of what they're called, you know, little things that they're doing. This picture I've got here is of Max Millennium, and he's on a little bike, bless him. We've got a picture here of Bear, who likes to fall asleep during his hydrotherapy. Just loads of these little insights into all these little doggy stories, and it's just heartwarming. It's just very nice. Just scrolling through Twitter, sometimes it gets a bit heavy, and then you get greeted with a picture of a pug, or a border collie, or a Labrador, or just a dog. I like dogs, okay? I'm waffling because they're the best things ever, and you can't have me on that one. Just don't argue with me. Anyway, let's talk about other animals. Yes, so our first story of the week, our actual story, comes from Ireland, and this is the story of an Arctic walrus. You may have heard about this in the news this week. An Arctic walrus took a nap on an iceberg and has woke up in Ireland. Yeah, it's quite bizarre. So the walrus was spotted on the beach by a 5-year-old girl just going for a walk with her dad, and obviously they were quite surprised to see the blubbery newcomer, as the article has stated. So obviously he came over on an iceberg, but how? How did he actually get across? Did he actively just jump on it and off he went? Well, it turns out no. What happened was he fell asleep on the iceberg. He went for a bit of a snooze and then woke up not too far away from the Irish beaches. Absolutely bonkers, but a really heartwarming story. Link down below if you want further details onto how it actually happened and what's going to happen with the walrus in the future. I believe they're going to be releasing him back to the wild, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, our next story is actually a fantastic video that I saw on the internet as well. I thought this is a brilliant example of drone work. I'll have it played on screen now. This is a drone shot video of a bowling alley. And in case you've ever wondered what a bowling alley looks like from behind the scenes, this video does an absolutely fantastic job. It's all one take with a drone. I'll have a link to the full video in the description. Really impressive cinematography. And yeah, if you want to just watch it and just be in absolute awe, I'd recommend going to go click that in the description down below. And finally then, before we wrap up today's video, we've got our song of the week. Now this song comes from one of our members here at the Myrrh Tree family, from Sam, who's one of the social media managers here with myself and many others. The song that she's recommended this week is called Rising by an artist called Duskus. The music video is very cyberpunky. If any of you guys have played Cyberpunk or know of the game Cyberpunk, it's very much like that. Really lo-fi, just chilled, modern pop song. Very relaxing. Would recommend giving a listen if you like that genre of music. I'll let it play out the episode, but once again, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Hopefully you're enjoying these videos. Make sure to leave a like and leave a comment down below. Are there any things that you'd like us to cover here on the Myrrh Tree channel? Anything in particular? Anything positive that you want to hear? We can delve into. So yes, thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, stay safe and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.